Window installation is crucial for enhancing the aesthetic and energy efficiency of your home. Energy-efficient windows and double-pane windows are popular choices for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Custom windows and vinyl windows offer a variety of styles and designs to suit any home. Window contractors in Little Rock provide expert window installation services to ensure a perfect fit and finish. Complement your new windows with Patio Doors Little Rock for a complete, elegant look. Window installation is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Window glass replacement and window frame installation are common services offered by window contractors in Little Rock. Regular window maintenance, including window sealing and window caulking, can prevent drafts and improve insulation. Window upgrades, such as window tinting and window glazing, can enhance energy efficiency and privacy. Pair your upgrades with Patio Doors Little Rock to create a cohesive and energy-efficient home design. Sliding windows and bay windows are popular window styles that add character and functionality to any home. Window screens and window hardware are important components that contribute to overall performance. Window measurements and consultation services help you choose the right windows for your space. Window estimates provide clarity on installation costs. Homeowners can also enhance curb appeal and indoor-outdoor flow with Patio Doors Little Rock, designed for style and efficiency. Patio door installation in Little Rock is a great way to enhance your outdoor living space. Energy-efficient patio doors and sliding patio doors are popular options for homeowners looking to boost their home's efficiency. Custom patio doors and vinyl patio doors offer stylish and durable solutions for any architecture. Patio door contractors in Little Rock provide expert installation services to ensure a perfect fit and finish. Choose Patio Doors Little Rock to elevate your home's beauty and functionality. Patio door installation in Little Rock is essential for maintaining functionality and style. Patio door maintenance, including sealing and caulking, prevents drafts and enhances insulation. Upgrades such as patio door tinting and glazing improve energy efficiency and privacy. Professional consultation services help you select the perfect door for your space. Keep your home comfortable and appealing with Patio Doors Little Rock, crafted for performance and design. French patio doors and bifold patio doors are elegant styles that bring light and openness to any home. Patio door screens and hardware ensure smooth operation and durability. Patio door estimates provide a transparent overview of installation costs. Safety and design are both priorities for homeowners in Little Rock. Incorporate Patio Doors Little Rock to add sophistication and security to your property. Affordable patio doors in Little Rock make it easy for homeowners to upgrade their outdoor spaces without overspending. Patio door replacement and insulation improve comfort and energy savings year-round. With a wide selection of styles and finishes, Patio Doors Little Rock offers customizable solutions for every homeowner. Consultation and design services help ensure the perfect fit for your home's architecture. Window safety is a key concern for homeowners in Little Rock. Upgrades such as window tinting and glazing enhance both security and privacy. Professional consultation and accurate estimates make it easy to plan your home improvement project. Pair your window upgrades with Patio Doors Little Rock to create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. For top-notch window installation services in Little Rock, look no further. Our expert contractors specialize in energy-efficient and custom window installations that elevate your home's appeal. Whether you need window glass replacement, frame installation, or sliding windows, we deliver excellence every time. Combine our windows with Patio Doors Little Rock for a unified, energy-smart home design. Patio door installation in Little Rock is our specialty, offering energy-efficient, sliding, and custom designs. Our experienced patio door contractors provide high-quality installation and maintenance. From vinyl to French and bifold styles, Patio Doors Little Rock delivers top-tier craftsmanship and performance. Our sealing, caulking, and insulation services ensure your doors stay efficient and secure. Window maintenance and sealing are crucial for keeping your home energy efficient and visually appealing. Our caulking and insulation services in Little Rock ensure maximum comfort. We offer upgrades and a range of window styles to match your design preferences. Pair your improvements with Patio Doors Little Rock to achieve a complete and cohesive home transformation. For those seeking patio door upgrades in Little Rock, we offer a full range of patio door styles, screens, and hardware. Our tinting and glazing services boost privacy and energy efficiency, while precise measurements and consultations guarantee the perfect fit. Patio Doors Little Rock also features safety enhancements for added peace of mind and modern appeal. Window glazing and measurements are vital for achieving flawless installations. Our consultation and estimate services in Little Rock guide you toward the best solutions for your home. We emphasize both safety and performance in every project. Complete your upgrades with Patio Doors Little Rock, offering a seamless combination of durability and style. Choose our affordable patio doors in Little Rock for cost-effective home improvements. Our replacement services deliver value, performance, and beauty. With our expertise in installation and maintenance, Patio Doors Little Rock ensures every homeowner enjoys lasting comfort, energy efficiency, and elegance. Contact us today for the best in window and patio door solutions.